Hello everyone, welcome back to Vidya TV. Right friends, నేను 2012 గ్రూప్ టూ పేపర్ టు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ మీతో షేర్ చేసుకుందాం అనేసి వీడియో చేయడం జరుగుతుందండి. ఐ ఫౌండ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ మై బుక్ షెల్ఫ్. సో అట్లీస్ట్ పేపర్ ప్యాటర్న్ అనేది తెలుస్తుంది అనేసి ఈ వీడియో చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో లెట్ us get into the video. Let us solve all the questions of this particular group 2 paper. Group 2 అంటే group 2 paper 2 is nothing but history and polity questions. రైట్ ఫస్ట్ పేపర్లో చూసినట్టయితే మనకి ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయండి. టైం వచ్చేసి 150 minutes అండ్ మార్క్స్ వచ్చేసి 150 మార్క్స్. ఇక్కడ సిరీస్ కూడా ఇచ్చారు, అంటే ఏబిసిడి సిరీస్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఇది పర్టికులర్ పేపర్ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్ డి, అంటే క్వశ్చన్స్ సేమ్ ఉంటాయి కానీ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రం సేమ్ ఉండవు. క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ సేమ్, 150 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ సేమ్, బట్ జంబుల్డ్గా ఉంటాయి. సో ఇక్కడ వీ కెన్ సీ ద ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. ప్రతి ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్లో ఈ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ కంపల్సరీ ఉంటాయి. ఇట్ కన్స్ అసలు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో ఏ పేపర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, వాట్ వీఆర్ సపోజ్ టు డూ, ఎట్లా మార్క్ చేసుకోవాలి అనే ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ అన్నీ మనకు ఈ ఫస్ట్ పేపర్లో ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఆల్సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయంటే డూప్లికేట్ పేపర్ కూడా ఒకటి అటాచ్, అంటే మన ఆన్సర్ షీట్కి, ఓఎంఆర్ షీట్కి ఒక డూప్లికేట్ పేపర్ కూడా ఉంటుంది, కార్బన్ పేపర్. అది మనం ఆన్సర్ చేసిన మన ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నీ మళ్ళీ వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు, అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ ద ఎగ్జామ్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ దట్ ఆన్సర్ ఓఎంఆర్ షీట్ అండ్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ ఇట్. అంటే ఇట్స్ అ డూప్లికేట్ ఆఫ్ ద వాట్ ఎవర్ ఆన్సర్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ put. Okay, right. So these are the various instructions before answering the questions. Right, first question vachesi, now let us look into the question paper. The first question is, the standstill agreement was signed by the Nizam and the government of India on, when what is signed, it was signed on November 29, 1947, option 3. The next question is, the leader of the Joint Indian Union movement was, the leader of the Joint Indian Union movement was Swami Ramananda Tirtha. And the next question is, Telugu Lanka was the title of Tummala Sita Rama Murthy. Next question వచ్చేసి question number 4. Who was the first Muslim leader in Hyderabad to join the Indian National Congress? And the answer is question number 4, answer is Mullah Abdul Qayyum. And the next question is, Andhra University was first established in the town of, it was established in the town of Vijayawada. The next question is question number 6. Sri Bagh was the residence of Kasinathuni Nageshwar Rao. Next, Vancho committee was appointed to, question number 7. It was appointed to identify implications of the Andhra state formation. అంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేసి హిస్టరీ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఇండియన్ పాలిటీ గురించి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, దట్ ఈస్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 8. హూ బికేమ్ ద చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద ఎలక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ 1955? అండ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ Bejawada Gopala Reddy was the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh after the elections of 1955. Next question, who among the following headed the delegation to represent the Hyderabad state issue in Security Council? And the answer is Moin Nawaz Jung. That is question number 9. Coming to the question number 10, Hyderabad in retrospect was written by, it is a book, Hyderabad in retrospect was written by Ali Yawar Jung. That is option number 3. Next question, in Hyderabad state the Comrades Association was founded in, it was founded in 1940. Hyderabad state, the Comrades Association was founded in 1940. Next question, School of Politics was conducted at Kankipadu in 1939 by Puchalapalli Sundaraya. Puchalapalli Sundaraya. Right, next question. Who initiated the Vishalandra movement? Vishalandra movement was initiated by the Communist Party. Next question. Here you can observe left column lo English lo undi, right column lo Telugulo ఉన్నాయి. So the paper is of two languages, English as well as Telugu. Next question is the foundation stone for Nagarjuna Sagar project was laid in. It was laid in 1955. Option 2, 1955. Next question is the first speaker of the AP State Legislative Assembly was. The first speaker of Legislative Assembly was Ayadevara Kaleshwara Rao. Next question. Foundations were laid for the establishment of federal government in India for the first time by. It was for the first time it was laid by the Government of India Act. Next question, 17th question number 17. Question is the Supreme Court said that the Constitution of India enjoins the state to secure a uniform civil law of a unity and integrity in Sarla Matgal case. Okay, that is option 3, Sarla Matgal case. That is about the question number 17. Next question is establishment of an egalitarian society is based on the principles of socialism. Is based on the principle of socialism. Next question. Appointment of governor by union government of India is called as modified federalism. Next question. Authority of courts is clearly visible in federation. Next question. Article 124 of the Indian Council. Article 124 of the 124 of the Indian Council provides for establishment of Supreme Court. Establishment of Supreme Court. Next question. Question number 22. Adult suffrage providing voting right and for inclusion in electoral roll is given by. Question number 22, it is Article 324. Next question, the following constitutional amendment reduced voting age to 18 years was. That is by the amendment of 61st Amendment. Next one, the 42nd Amendment originally provides for the fundamental duties, 10 fundamental duties. The 42nd Amendment originally provides for 10 fundamental duties. Next question. Every major who is a citizen of India is entitled to vote under Article 326. And according to the Article 326, they are eligibility to vote. Next question, that is question number 26. National Commission to review the working of the Indian Constitution consisted of. It consisted of 11 members. Now Justice Venkaya Naidu. Question number 27. Justice Venkatachalaya, former Chief Justice of India, submitted his report on the working of the Indian Constitution in the year 2002. Next question. The Indian Constitution has provided for a sovereign democratic republic up to the year 1976. Next question is unity and integrity are mainly intended to curb separatist tendency. Next question. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution does not forbid reasonable classification. Right. Next question is question number 31. The Constitution 86th Amendment. Constitution 86 Amendment. Right. The Constitution 86 Amendment Act provided for children education. That is option 1 is right. Next, the Constitution lays down the following fundamental duties. It lays down the fundamental duties, 11 duties. The rule of reservation should not exceed 50% was laid down by the Supreme Court in Indira Swane case. Next question. According to the Article 12, state does not include judiciary. Next question number 35. Question number 35. In Bikaji v. State of MP, the Supreme Court has propounded the following. Which one of it is? And the answer is doctrine of eclipse. Doctrine of eclipse. Next question is question number 36. The meaning of Panchayat area is given by the following article. And the answer is option 2, Article 243B. Next question, Article 243G confers the following on Panchayats, that is exercise of powers. Next question, question number 38. The Constitution 74th Amendment was brought in the year 1992. Next question is Schedule 12 of the Constitution was inserted by 74th Amendment. Next question is question number 40. The matters enumerated in Schedule 11 consists of 29 matters. Establishment of local self-government is dealt in the following list of Schedule 7, that is list 2. The three-tier Panchayat Raj institution was established for the first time in the following state. That is Rajasthan. Organization of village Panchayat is dealt with the Article 40.